Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you DraftKings how to add promo code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to add a promo code, what you need to do is first log into your account. If you still need to register, then sign up to DraftKings website or app. For existing users, you can just log in. Now, once you are logged into your account, on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that, and now, once tapping that, you'll be sent to the account section. Now, once you're there, what you need to do is select enter promo code under the account or rewards tab. You will find on the option to enter promo code. Then click on it. Now, once you do that, type in or press the promo code you have into the provided box, and once entered, the system will verify the code's validity. If it's valid, you'll receive a confirmation, and once that's done, depending upon the promo code, you might receive bonus money in your DraftKings balance or even free plays. Always check the terms and conditions of any promo code to know exactly what you're getting. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.